Yo man, welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome back. Almost daily uploads tayo ngayon. Sana hindi pa kayo nagsasawa sa aking muka. At sa video na to is meron lang tayong isi-celebrate. Okay? So basically, kung hindi nyo pa ako kilala, I'm Joms and I'm currently making videos about female nature, about dating, and about relationships. Basically, ang goal ko sa channel na to is to help you to be the best version of yourself kasi currently yun din yung goal ko. Ang goal ko to be my best version of myself. So I'm working on my 5 pillars. Okay? Hindi ito yung topic ng video natin ha. So basically ito lang. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. So I'm working with the 5 pillars, yung aking physical, mental, financial, spiritual, and also relationships. So, andito sa channel na to, this is mainly for relationships. Di ko alam kung tingnan natin kung saan tayo dadalhin. Pero currently now, kung pinapanood mo to, I'm currently interested on learning about relationships, about female nature, specifically about polarity. So, polarity is not the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So, yun. So, yun yung andun yung currently yung aking interest. So, kaya everything na nandito sa channel na to and other videos, kasi hindi ko alam kung ito pa rin yung magiging videos ko for the next coming years. Pero ngayon, ito kasi yung current interest ko. So, ito, welcome to my channel. Ayan. So, dito sa video na to, this is a very, very good video kasi meron nag-send sa akin ng email and ito yung sinabi niya. So, ayan. Papakita ko na lang dito. Sabi niya, "Hi Sir Joms, it's been a while, but just wanted to update you. Kami na pala nung sinabi ko sa inyo. 7 days after the first date, naging kami. Thank you for the guidance. Effective masyado. Sana marami pa kayong matulungan. God bless po." So, yun. So, napakagandang email coming from a email subscriber or a member ng ating newsletter. Actually, bumili din siya nung ating on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia. Basically, yun talaga yung nagkaroon siya ng access. So, if you want to have that same result and you want to know how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons little by little hanggang sa magustuhan kanila using momentum-based attraction, andyan lang sa description box, andyan yung link, click mo na lang. Sobrang mura lang nun. Okay. So, dito syempre, hindi ko naman kayo masyadong bibitinin. Kumbaga, bibigyan ko rin kayo ng 3 points kung ano ba yung ginawa niya. Kung bakit siya nagkaroon ng ganitong result. Kung bakit 7 days after the first date, naging sila na agad. Okay? But first, sagutin ko muna yung mga haka-haka nyo. Sasabihin nyo, Jums, sure ka bang tatagal yan? Tatagal yan, ang bilis naging sila. Feel ko pang short term lang yan. So, yung tinuturo ko nga is about polarity, guys. Okay? Hindi ako nagtuturo ng short term. Hindi ako nagtuturo ng lines, scripts. Kung titingnan mo yung mga videos ko, hindi ko naman kayo binibigyan ng, ito yung sabihin mo. Ito yung pick-up line na sabihin mo. Ang tinuturo ko is more on embodying masculinity. Okay? It's about building your strength as a man. Building your masculine energy as a man. Okay, kung panoorin mo yung lahat ng videos ko, never akong nagbigay ng script, hindi naging ganun, hindi yun yung naging sentro ng videos ko. Na ito yung sabihin mo, ito lang sabihin mo, magiging kayo na. No. Kasi for me, yung mga scripts, mga lines, mga routines, napapanis yan. Okay, kaya short term yan. Kasi pag after mo sabihin yung linya, ano na? Pag naubusan ka na ng linya, ano na? Wala na. So I'm more focused on building the man itself. On being. Okay, yung being nyo. Yun yung focus ko. Kaya nga, I'm into polarity, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, the natural attraction between the feminine and the masculine. So, if you want to attract the feminine, you want to be masculine. So, yun yung ano natin. So, yun yung topic natin. Basically, yun dun tumatakbo lahat ng lahat ng contents ko. So, kung interesado ka about masculinity, welcome to my channel. Subscribe ka dito. Kasi marami pa akong i-release na videos about masculinity. Kung ano lang din yung ginagawa ko, ano yung nagkakaroon ako ng resulta, kung ano yung mga experience ko, i-share ko sa inyo. Kasi dati rin akong torpe, dati rin akong very feminine, dati akong emasculated. Ibig sabihin, so pinalaki ako sa sa very feminine na household kasi growing up, hindi ako nagkaroon ng attention from my father. So, yon. So, currently ngayon, tinuturuan ko rin yung sarili ko kung paano maging masculine, ganyan. And sinishare ko sa inyo. Okay? So, balik tayo doon sa video. Meron akong 3 things na nilista dito kung ano ba yung ginawa niya kung bakit siya nagkaroon ng ganong klaseng resulta. And isi-share ko din sa inyo kung paano niya nagawa yon. So, number 1, okay, you need to be the man. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng being the man? So, kailangan ikaw yung maging lalaki. Okay? Hindi dapat niya ma-feel na mas babae siya kaysa sa'yo. Kasi a lot of guys this generation is parang mas babae pa kaysa sa babae. They're looking for love. They're looking for intimacy. Kumbaga parang yun yung mini-mission nila. Kasi naging malungkot lang sila. So feeling nila kailangan nila ng love, kailangan nila ng intimacy, in which dapat ang hinahabol mo is your fulfillment, your mission, and your purpose. Ganyan. Because women only cares about the man. Tandaan nyo yun. Women only cares about the man. The man itself. Wala siyang pake kung meron kang Ferrari. Wala siyang pake kung pinakain mo siya sa isang magandang restaurant. Wala siyang pake kung binigyan mo siya ng napakaraming bouquet. Wala siyang pake kung binigyan mo na siya ng Hershey's. Wala siyang pake kung binigyan ka niya ng Ferrero. Ang may pake siya kung sino yung nagbigay. The man behind the efforts. Not the efforts itself. Dun siya may pake. So that's why you want to be the man. You want to build the man. Kasi kung aasa ka sa efforts, aasa ka sa niceness mo, feeling mo magugustuhan ka ng babae dahil loyal ka naman, dahil mabait ka naman. It won't work. Kasi again, they don't care about the efforts. Tingnan yung mga bad boy, sobrang balahura. Parang walang pake sa babae pero nagugustuhan pa rin sila. Kasi they care about the man itself. So kahit nga hindi ka masyadong mag-effort sa babae, magugustuhan ka niyan eh. So you need to build the man. So how can you build the man? Okay, the man is the symbol of strength. It's always been like that. The man is the symbol of strength. So how can you build your strength? Paano mo mabibuild yung strength mo? Balik tayo doon sa 5 pillars sa sinabi ko. Improve yourself physically, mentally, financially, spiritually, and sa relationships. So yung 5 pillars na yon. Build yourself up, improve those pillars. Okay, palakasin niyo yung stats. Kung baga gawin natin parang laro. Palakasin niyo yung stats niyo doon sa 5 pillars na yon. So very self-explanatory. How can you improve your physical strength? Mag-exercise ka, mag-weightlift ka, you do sports, you move, you exercise. Di ko alam kung anong gusto mong exercise. Ang mahalaga, you are building strength. Okay? Progressive overload. Ayan. Next, your emotional strength. How can you build your emotional strength? By knowing your emotions, by controlling your emotions, by meditation, by journaling, by knowing yourself, kung ano yung mga triggers mo. Ganyan. Okay? Next, kasama dito yung yung mentally sa emotion kasi usually yun yung nasa loob mo. So you can read books, you can learn courses. Kumbaga, huwag kayo puro scroll. Bumaba kayo sa fantasy world. Okay? Learn how to do things. Execute things. Next is yung financially. Ito, guys, kailangan nyo talaga, sa panahon ngayon, kailangan nyo i-improve yung financial strength nyo. Learn how to grow your income. Learn how to budget. Learn kung learn new skills. Upskill para magkaroon ka ng mas maraming income. You need to learn. Okay? You need to improve your strength financially. Kasi walang mabubuhay sa mundong to ng walang pera. Okay? Wala kang karapatang kumuha ng babae kung sarili mo pa lang hindi mo na mabuhay. Kasi again, women are looking for safety. If nakikita nila na sarili mo pa lang hindi mo kayang buhayin and kukuha ka lang ng babae para may sumalo sa'yo, para alam mo yun, may sasalo sa'yo, aasa ka sa kanya, wag na lang. Sisirain mo pa buhay niya. So, next, improve yourself, your strength spiritually. Ito, I'm not being religious. Wala akong paki kung anong religion mo, kung sino man, kung kanino ka naniniwalang Diyos. So for me, it's really important to build relationship with your higher self, with the higher being. Magkaroon kayo ng Diyos. It will really help you when it comes physically, emotionally, and financially. Di ko alam kung sino yung sinasambo mo, di ko alam kung kaninong Diyos ka naniniwala. I just want you to build a relationship with your higher self. Okay? Next is yung relationships in which ito na, ginagawa mo na. Nanonood ka ng video ko, you're improving your strength when it comes to relationship. Alam mo kung ano yung dapat gawin at hindi dapat gawin when it comes to relationship. Alam mo yung role mo when it comes to polarity. Alam mo yung role mo when it comes to being masculine. Alam mo kung sinong hinahanap mo, sinong feminine woman yung hinahanap mo. So yun. So because when you build the man, sa panahon ngayon, strength is very rare. Sobrang daming weak na lalaki. Okay? Or beta na sinasabi. Sobrang daming weak na lalaki ngayon kasi palaging nasa social media, laging nasa fantasy world. Nanonood lang, watchers, observers. Kumbaga, hindi sila bumababa sa reality. Hindi nila wino-work on yung sarili nila. Lagi lang sila nakatutok sa social media, and social media, fantasy lang talaga yan. Laging nag-overthink, hindi nagtitake action. And sa utak mo, fantasy lang din yan eh. If gusto mong maging reality yan, i-anchor mo siya sa actions mo. Gawin mo. Make it your reality. Kasi kung puro lang nasa isip, puro ka lang nanonood, puro ka lang scroll, nasa fantasy ka lang. So, gusto mong i-anchor yun. I-ground. I-manifest mo dito sa totoong mundo by taking control, by taking action. Because strength is very rare sa panahon ngayon. And if women saw one guy na nakikita nilang malakas yung dating, yun nga yung dahil nga winwork on niya yung 5 pillars na yun, they will instantly cling. Okay? Sasabihin nila, pucha, walang ibang, halos lahat ng lalaking nag-pursue sa akin sobrang weak. Kasi nga, 99% of men today are weak. So gusto mo maging dun sa 1% which is strong. May strength, may lakas ng dating. Pag nakakita sila ng lalaking may malakas ang dating, yun yung pipiliin nila. They will, talagang hubo panty talaga. Kaya nga mas pinipili nila yung bad guy versus nice guy. Kasi yung bad guy may strength. He displays strength. Meron siyang boundaries. Kaya niyang ipaglaban yung sarili niya. Kaya niyang i-assert yung needs niya. May dominance. Yung nice guy, sunod lang sunod, nagpapa-under. Pero dito, syempre, hindi ko kayo na maging masama kayong tao, maging masama kayong lalaki. Ang goal natin dito is to be an integrated man. Ibig sabihin, nasa gitna ka lang. Hindi ka sobrang passive, nice guy. Hindi ka rin sobrang aggressive, bad guy. Andito lang tayo sa gitna. Okay, ang tawag doon is being an integrated man. So yun. So if dahil nga strength is very rare sa panahon ngayon, once na naramdaman ng babae na ang lakas ng dating mo, she will instantly like you. Ma-attract mo siya. Ma-attract mo yung babaeng yun. Kung pinakitaan mo siya ng masculine traits mo, the way you look, the way you behave, for sure you will attract a lot of feminine women. Okay? Kasi marerepel mo dyan yung mga independent woman kuno. In which, kaya lang naman sila nagiging independent kasi wala silang makitang wala silang makitang strong enough guy to handle them. Wala silang mapagkatiwalaan na lalaki. Kasi nga, sobrang rare ng strength sa panahon ngayon. So, point number 2. Kung ang point number 1 is be the man, point number 2 is be the obvious choice. Okay? Kasi ang daming lalaki ngayon yung lagi lang nasa waiting, alam mo yon, nasa waiting stage lang, nag-aantay kung kailan aamin yung babae, nag-aantay na nasubuan sila. Yung alam mo yung so ayoko talaga ng sobrang maging passive kayo. I want you to take action, grab the steering wheel, kayo yung magpatakbo ng buhay nyo. Huwag kayong mag-aantay sa iba na sila yung magpatakbo ng buhay nyo. Kailangan kayo, grab the steering wheel, take control of your life, get what you want. I want you to get what you want. Okay, ayoko nasa passive tayo. I don't want you to wait. Ayoko nasa waiting mode kayo, nag-react lang kayo kung ano yung ibigay sa inyo ng mundo. I want you to be proactive. So, instead of waiting, be the one to lead her to the relationship you want. Ikaw yung nagli-lead. Kumbaga, pinapakita mo na, oy, ito yung gusto ko. Dito ako papunta. Sasama ka ba? Kumbaga, you are making yourself the obvious choice na, uy, yung ibang guys, nag-aantay lang. Hindi ko alam kung friends ba kami o gusto niya ba talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba talaga yung intention niya. So when you become the obvious choice, kumbaga pinakita mo yung meron kang intention nang hindi ka umaamin, syempre. Kumbaga pinapakita mo based on your actions, you're very clear with your actions. Kumbaga nililid mo siya towards somewhere that kung anumang relationship yung gusto mo, kung short term man 'yan or long term man 'yan. So kumbaga may pinapakita ka sa kanya na daan. Kasi hindi mo kaya mag-lead kung walang pupuntahan. Okay, kailangan alam mo kung anong klaseng relationship yung gusto mo. Kung gusto mo short term lang, okay. Yun dapat yung intention mo sa girl. Be clear with your intentions. Kung gusto mo long term, yun dapat yung goal mo. Okay? So you can lead yourself and also her dun sa direction ng gusto mong puntahan ng relationship niyo. So be the obvious choice. Umalis kayo sa waiting game. Huwag kayo magstay sa friend zone. Kaya lang kayo napupunta sa friend zone kasi hindi niya nakikita na ano ka. Hindi kanya nakikita as her options. Hindi kanya nakikita as her choices. So dito, we want to make sure that she will see you as her best option. So magagawa mo yon if you build the man. If you have strength. If work on mo yung strength mo. So make her feel na sayang ka kapag nakuha ka pa ng iba. Kasi again, strength is very rare nowadays. Sobrang daming weak na lalaki. Kung mag-interview ka ng babae, mag-interview ka ng babaeng kaibigan mo or kakilala mo, sobrang daming weak na lalaking umaaligid dyan. And you will separate yourself if you build yourself up. If you build your strength. And once na makita sila na lalaki na, uy, parang iba to sa mga lalaki kasi nga, yung mga lalaki ngayon, very weak. They will instantly cling to you. Siya na mismo yung hindi mapakali na maging kayo. Kasi feeling niya kapag nawala ka pa, wala na siyang ibang makikita pa. So kaya 7 days lang naging sila agad eh. Yung kanina si Nos, tago natin sa pangalang Nos. Ewan ko kung nasabi ko ba yung pangalan niya kanina. So yun yung dahilan kung bakit sobrang bilis na nagiging kung bakit sobrang bilis nagiging sila ng mga nagiging estudyante ko inside the attraction, inside my modules, inside my courses. It's because yung babae mismo yung hindi mapakali na maging sila kasi sobrang rare. Kumbaga yung being, again, we were working on your being. Hindi ko kayo binibigyan ng ito lang sabihin mo, instantly may in love yan. Kumbaga natural na sa'yo. So kung short term or long term man yung goal mo sa relationship, kayang-kaya mo. Kasi ikaw na yun eh. Ikaw na mismo yun. It's deeply engraved sa identity mo, sa character mo. Dahil that's the way you look. That's naturally how you look and how you behave. Hindi mo pinipeke. Hindi ka nagiging performative male. That's who you are already. So, short-term or long-term man, gagana yan. Alright? So, and lastly, number 3, choose women who choose you. I think this is the very important. Okay? Kasi, you need to understand, kailangan mo tanggapin that women are the choosers. Sila talaga yung pipili. Sila talaga yung pumipili. Kung sino yung gusto nila. And, that's because attraction is non-negotiable. Hindi mo mane-negotiate yan. Kung hindi attracted sa'yo yung babae, hindi mo mane-negotiate yan through effort. Hindi siya attracted sa akin. Siguro, bibigyan ko na lang to ng maraming flowers. Bibigyan ko na lang to ng maraming chocolates. Ililibre ko na lang to sa mamamahaling restaurant. Ililibre ko na lang sa Wolfgang. Bibigyan ko na lang siya ng Ferrero. No. It won't work. You need to attract them first before you can be a gentleman. Before you can do a lot of things for her. Before you can be nice. Okay, attract them first, be a gentleman second. So, kapag hindi attracted sa'yo yung babae, it's a non-negotiable. You cannot negotiate. It's either 1 or 0 lang yan. Okay? So, that's why it's really important to pursue the ones who is choosing you. Yun yung hack dun. Kung women are the choosers, so, only pursue the ones who is choosing you. Yung pinipili ka. And if hindi mo gusto yung mga babaeng pumipili sa'yo, that's already your feedback. Kunwari, pangit naman kasi ng mga pumipili sa akin, Joms. Kumbaga, hindi ko gusto, hindi ko type. So, that's your feedback already. Okay? Wag kang ma-down. Wag kang ma-down. That's the world showing you, okay, ito ba yung gusto mo? Hindi. Okay, sige, you know, alam mo na. Ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung kailangan mong i-work on. So, if hindi mo gusto yung mga babaeng pumipili sa ngayon, that's your feedback. Ibig sabihin, you need to build up more strength. Okay? I-max out mo pa. Kumbaga, i-increase mo pa yung stats mo when it comes to your strength. Physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, and sa relationships. Okay? You need to build up more strength. Your stats. Okay? Look at yourself. Ano pa sa tingin mo? Okay, ano pa dito yung mga gusto ko pang i-improve? Ano pa dito yung mga gusto ko pang improve? Ano pa yung mga weakness ko? Okay, how can I improve my strength? Next, change your environment. Kasi kung hindi mo gusto yung mga babaeng nagbibigay sa'yo ng signals, ng choosing signals, yung mga babaeng may type sa'yo, ibig sabihin, wala ka lang sa tamang environment. Kunwari, gusto mo pala ng babaeng taga-UP pero naghahanap ka sa Lasal, wala, hindi ka talaga makakahanap ng UP girl dyan. Sa Lasal ka nasa Lasal ka. So, change your environment kung saan ka humahanap. Kung gusto mo ng babaeng very traditional, huwag kang humanap sa bars. Humanap ka sa church or any religious groups. Kasi andun yung babaeng hinahanap mo. So again, change your environment. Lumipat ka ng city. Kung sobrang walang-wala talaga, pero for sure meron pa. Ano na yun, last resort na yun. For sure, you're not just, hindi mo lang pinapakita sa hindi mo lang showcase or konti pa yung hindi mo na ma-market sa mas wider audience yung sarili mo. Okay? So, in order for you to market yourself, lumabas ka. Put yourself out there. Okay? Ipakita mo na you're available and you're looking. Okay? And lastly, hunt. Again, yun. Put yourself out there and hunt. We are hunters. Kailangan tayo talaga mag-hunt. Hindi tayo nag-aantay na meron na lang biglang dumating. Ano kasi, one tamad. Na bigla na lang may malalaglag na pepe sa mukha mo. Hindi mangyayari yun. You want to hunt. Okay? Hunt. Kailangan maging agresibo ka. You get what you want. Take the steering wheel. You control your own life. Okay? Hindi nakasalalay sa iba yung magiging success mo. Kasi no one can save you. Only yourself. So be hunter mode tayo lagi. Sa lahat ng gusto mo, not only sa women, but also sa goals mo. Goals mo physically, goals mo mentally, emotionally, financially, spiritually, and when it comes to women, sa relationship. Hunt for it. Magkaroon kayo ng drive. Okay? The drive to achieve what you actually want. To get what you want. And for sure, dahil pinapanood mo tong video na to, I'm sure andun ka na rin. Okay? It's not for me, walang swerte or walang coincidence. For me, lahat na nangyayari sa buhay natin is aligned sa kung ano yung magiging success natin. Kung saan talaga tayo papunta. So, yun. So, hopefully, nakatulong tong video na to. Another 24 minutes video. Sabi ko, 10 minutes lang. Napapadaldal na naman ako. So, hopefully, you stayed until here. Again, if you want to know how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons little by little hanggang sa magustuhan ka nila, by using momentum-based attraction, you can check Attraction Inertia Triggers. It's an on-demand online program. Andyan yung link nasa description box. So, if you like this video, leave a like. Subscribe ka na rin dito dahil I upload almost daily. So, yun lang. Sobrang haba na itong video na to. Again, summarize natin. Number 1 is be the man. Number 2, Be the obvious choice. And lastly, number 3, choose women who choose you. Okay? Yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Be the hunters. Let's go. Pow.